In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create typing text animation in Framer. By the end, you'll have clean, readable text that appears character by character, just like someone is typing it in real time. Start by opening your project in Framer and navigating to the page or frame where your headline or paragraph lives. Make sure you're selecting an actual text layer, not a container. If your text sits inside a component or group, drill into the layer list until the text itself is highlighted so the right controls appear. With the text selected, look to the right side panel and open the Effects section. This is where animation lives for text layers. Inside Effects, switch to the Text category to unlock text-specific animation settings. Next, choose a trigger. If you want the typing to start the moment the page loads, select an onload option. If you prefer the effect to begin when the text scrolls into view, pick an in-view trigger. This choice controls when your audience first sees the animation. Now, pick a preset that supports sequential reveals. A preset designed for character by character or incremental text reveals will get you closest to a typing feel right away, and you can fine-tune from there. Under the per setting, choose character. Per word or per line creates chunkier reveals, but character is what sells the typing illusion. Move to the enter settings to define how each character appears. A subtle fade from 0 to 100% opacity with a tiny vertical or horizontal offset works well. Keep the movement gentle so the motion supports readability rather than distracting from it. If easing is available, a smooth standard ease helps everything feel natural. Adjust the delay to control the pace of typing. A small per character delay, somewhere in the low hundredths of a second, usually feels snappy yet readable. If the text is long, slow it slightly so viewers can follow without pausing. Click Preview to test. Watch the timing, check it on different screen sizes, and tweak delay, easing, or offset until the rhythm feels right. When it reads smoothly and consistently, you've got a polished typing text animation ready to share.